So right now, what we're actually doing is we're running the power for the pump that we just installed last week. This is for 2 chillers, of course, for this massive octopus system right here. Now once we get done running the power, we're going to run some glycol in the system, that way it doesn't freeze up at all, obviously during the winter months. But otherwise, heck, this shouldn't take all too long.
Lonely tonight. If so, we know we'll be coming. If so, we know we'll be coming. If so, we know we'll be coming.
So obviously today, we finished installing the chillers. We have the pump up and running. We have our thermostat up and running. The lines are nice and cold. So really, we'll just go outside and look at everything else. So here is the wonderful space vac chillers. They're burning hot, which is good. But all the shiny plumbing is insulated. All the power's on. Brilliant. Well, up and running.